Yeah.
Okay. It's weird how such a small motion.
Yeah.
You want to move
Get that distance, right?
Yeah.
Do you feel a difference now with the neck?
I felt more difference with the breathing, with
Yeah.
breathing out when when I receive him. Normally I would breathe
Yeah,
in
like-
that moment,
Yeah.
but release sending me off.
Release the pressure. Yeah.
From the moment he touches, that made a bigger difference. But the crown makes it more like one line.
One line, yeah, and it's a sort of the support system for the other thing you're talking about, right? You have the line open, now you can release in that line. It's like, so it's a bit of the same with pore breathing. Breathe in, and on the out breath, you release through the pores, but I still have my crown suspended, right? So it's like you create a framework where releasing is most efficient, right? Because if you're aligned with the spine and it starts hanging, this already creates a great pathway for relaxation and muscles to hang, etc., and reach the ground through your construction. So you have that, and now you start breathing out. You can feel all these muscles, all these small muscles, larger muscles, they can hang and find the ground path. And now he's the object, he's coming in, and you create a ground path for him. And yeah, that's how it all comes together. So we do this for a while, then we start focusing on the energy feeling itself, and now it changes again, right? But it all starts with the crown. If the crown's not open, yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Mooi, zie je? Je knie is nu nog echt een mooie lijn daar, zie je? Dus je hebt